Okay, let's take a look at this question. Nyla has 3 6/10 bottles of orange juice. Each full bottle contains 8 75 fluid ounces. Nyla wants to know the total number of fluid ounces of orange juice she has. How many fluid ounces does she have? So I see a lot of keywords in here. So she has 3.6 bottles, and each bottle, each one contains 8.75. So the first bottle has 8.75. The second full bottle has 8.75. The third full bottle has 8.75. And we want to know the total amount of orange juice she has in all. So what operation do you think we are going to have to do if I see the words each, of, and total? That's right. I'm going to have to multiply because each, total, and of are all keywords that I'm going to have to multiply. So when I multiply, I know that I always need to put the number with more digits on top. Which of these numbers has more digits? 3 6/10 or 8 75 That's right. 8 75 has more digits. So I'm going to put 8 75 on top, and I'm going to put 3 6/10 below. And when I multiply decimals, I ignore the decimal, I multiply like normal, then I have to remember to scoop at the end. So first I'm going to start with 6. What is 6 times 5? That's right. It is 30. So I'm going to put down the 0, carry my 3. Now I need to do 6 times 7. What is 6 times 7? Or 7 times 6? That's right, 42. Then I have to add 3 more. 42 plus 3 more, 42 in my head, 43, 44, 45. I'm going to put down the 5, carry my 4. Lastly, I have to do 6 times 8. What is 6 times 8? That's right, 8 times 6 is 48, plus 4 more, 48 in my head, 49, 50, 51, 52. So I have to put down 52. Okay, now that I am done with my 6, I can cross out the 3 because I'm done with it, and I can cross out the 4 that I regrouped. I can even cross out the 6 because I don't want to confuse myself. Now that I multiplied by the 6, I have to move to my 3. What do I need to do before I multiply by my 3? That's right, I need to put a placeholder 0. Now I can start multiplying. I have to do 3 times 5. What is 3 times 5? Or 5 times 3? 15. I put down my 5. I'm going to carry my 1. Now I need to do 3 times 7. What's 3 times 7? Or 7 times 3? That's right, 21 plus 1 more, I know is 22. So I'm going to put down the 2, carry my 2. Finally, I have 8 times 3. What's 8 times 3? 24 plus 2 more is 26. Now I have my 2 partial products, so I have to add them up. So I know 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. I put down my 0, carry my 1. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. 6 plus 5, 6 in my head, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. Now I need to go back to my problem. So I had the numbers 8 75 and I times it by 3.6. I have to place my decimal point within my answer. How many numbers were after both decimal points? That's right, there were 3. 1, 2, 3. You can even see here if you count them. 1 here, 2, and 3. So I need to move back 1, 2, 3 times. So my answer would be 31 and 5/10. I could have also have written 31 and 50 hundredths because I could include that 0 if I wanted to, or I don't necessarily need it. So if you got the answer 31 and 5/10, that would be correct. If you got 31 and 50 hundredths, that would be correct too. You could also enter 31.500, and that would have been correct too. The most important part is remembering to move back 3 times because we know that the 3 and the 1 make 31 wholes. I hope this helps.